Hello everybody, it's Suze. Can you tell that it's me? I've got a beanie on and a mask on my face to keep me safe. It's such a beautiful day today. I thought I would go for a walk in the national park. I'm really lucky because I just have to walk outside my front door, go to the end of my street, cross the road, and I'm at the national park. Would you like to see what it looks like? Can you see all the trees? Oh, there's some yellow flowers. Can you see those? The sun is shining on those ones. There's big trees. There's the rocky path that I'm walking on. I can see lots of sticks and rocks. Oh, here's some pretty flowers. I think they're beautiful wild flowers. Have you got the national park near your house? Otherwise you can just walk around the block. Do you know that sometimes when I'm out on my walk I can see kangaroos? I have to look very closely in the bush. I wonder if I'll see any today. That's the big road that I'm walking up. Can you see the blue sky shining? Oh, there's a bird. Did you see the bird flying? All right, I'll say goodbye. And if I see some kangaroos, I'll show you later, okay? Have a good day. Now here's an area at the national park where you can sit and have a picnic. See, there's a table and chairs. There's some more. Oh, can you see? There's a crow. Can you see the crow on the grass? There he is. Oh, oh! Is he going to make a noise? Oh, I think he's eating, finding some seeds in the grass. Let's see if we can find some kangaroos. There's a rain tank collecting all the water. See how green the grass is? That's because we've had a bit of rain. Let's look for kangaroos. I want you to sit really quietly and listen to the birds. Listen very carefully. Can you hear some frogs? There's a bit of water in there. They're very noisy. Let me show you the water down here. It's a bit dirty water. Can you hear the frogs? I heard them too. Okay, I'm going to try and walk up a very, very big hill. It's quite high. I don't usually like climbing hills like this, but I'm going to give it a go, and hopefully when I get to the top, I might see some kangaroos. Well, I did it, kids. I climbed the great big giant hill. I never thought that I could do it, but I tried and I tried, and I didn't give up. I just kept climbing and kept walking, and I climbed up that great big hill. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Have you done something lately that you were proud of? I bet you have. Now I have to go down this hill to make my way back home. Going down a hill is so much easier than going up a hill. Wish me luck. I made it back home to my house. I can take my mask off now. I hope you enjoyed our nature walk today. I did. It's still sunshiny and beautiful. I hope you have a good week, and I'll be posting another music and drama video a bit later. Bye.